Creating a Team Photo Composite from a CSV file is fast and easy. Start by clicking New Team Composite in the File Management tab. Input a file name and set the composite size and resolution. In the main menu, select Edit, Add Players from File, and choose the CSV file exported by Photo or similar. Next, select the group to be imported under Edit, Groups in File. The players belonging to this group will be imported, and a preliminary design will be created automatically. Activate the Backgrounds tab and drag a background into the design area. You can also drag your own files from Finder or Windows File Explorer. Activate the Cliparts tab and drag a clipart, either your own or one included with the application. Resize and reposition as needed. Add shadows to the players. This unique feature of Team Photo Composite allows adding a specific shadow to each player. Use the new perspective option to slightly resize upper rows and achieve a 3D perspective. Reposition players as needed. You may add cliparts and resize them by dragging from the sides. Finally, reduce opacity. This way, it's very easy to apply smoke and similar effects to the composite. Swap players if needed. Just select one player by clicking the cross icon, then click the swap icon of another player. Now save the composite using the main menu, and select File, Export to JPG. Select a target folder and enter a file name. After a short period, the composite will be ready in high resolution. Team Photo Composite, a quick and easy way to create your team or single photo composites.